Hello, today I'm going to show you how to fix the error Dinty we can't tell if your PC has enough space to continue installing Windows 11. This issue typically occurs during the installation or upgrade process when Windows Setup can set accurately assess available disk space, often due to low storage, corrupted system files, or temporary setup glitches. Let's get started. Step 1. Free up space using disk cleanup. Open Search, type disk cleanup, and select the result. Check unnecessary files, temporary files, thumbnails, recycle bin, and click OK. Then select delete files. Step 2. Use cleanup system files for deeper cleaning. Reopen disk cleanup. Click Cleanup System Files. Select options like Windows Update Cleanup. This often takes up significant space. Click OK, then select Delete Files. Step 3. Uninstall unnecessary programs. Search for Add or Remove Programs and open it. Sort by size large, small to identify large apps. Click the three dots next to any unused app, select Uninstall. Removing unused software helps free up space. Once all the steps are done, restart your PC and try launching the Windows 11 setup again. That's it. You've successfully fixed the not enough space to continue installing Windows 11 error. Windows 11 requires at least 64 GB of free space on your system drive, and without it, the installation cannot proceed. We hope this guide helped you resolve the issue. Goodbye and see you next time.